Hi guys, it's Monday. I thought today I'd shoot a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. So I think that's what I'll be doing. Currently, I just woke the boys. I think they finished dressing. It's about 6:25, and I'm running a little late. I should be making the lunch. We sometimes make the lunch the night before, but today, because they are having one of those chicken burger things, I wanted to make the lunch today, but if it was like a normal burger, I would make it in advance the night before. So that's what I'll be making now, because it's like a wrappy type of thing, but with like a chicken burger inside. So we have to hurry up and make that for the boys right now. Otherwise, the weather's really bad. I'm not going to go out today because the weather's like really bad. It's okay for me, but it's not good for the baby, so I'm gonna put her through that. Yeah, so it's literally like a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. That's what we'll be doing today. Anyway guys, bye.
Let me go for one day, let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain, always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day, let me lose myself. Oh, I knew all this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling.
we ended up not going for the walk because hi, say hi. Say hi. She does the tongue thing. It's not hi. Anyway, we ended up not going for a walk because I figure girl was a bit cranky. So she's now waking up. But we'll go like I think for a late day walk or whatever. Because so for a late day walk, because I wanna, like, I'm committing to the whole healthy don't. I don't know about the food, but yeah, they do say like 80-20. Wait, 80 is the food and 20 is the walking, okay, the physical side. Anyway, it doesn't matter. At some point I'll get it right. But for now, I want to, yes, want food. Yes. For now, I want to do the walking, the physical side of it, because I can do the eating part with not keeping up with the physical side, depending even the food. So I will do that. I will go later when the boys are back. I will walk or I'll run, and then how that works out. So hi. guys. We're currently load shedding. I'm about to make supper for the kids. I think it's about like something past 6 or something to 7. I'm making fish today, but yeah, unfortunately, fish you can't really make it in advance. So that's what I'm making for the kids. I just thought I should close off this vlog. Is it a vlog? Just thought I should close it off. And thank you guys for watching. I don't know if I'll make the fish with you guys because it's so dark. Wait, even I touch on it. It's so dark in here. Ah, there we go. So yeah, anyway, good night guys.